welcome to SWE and another outreach video. Today we're going to learn how to make Play-doh at home. So to make your own Play-doh, you're going to need some basic ingredients that you might have around your house, probably in your kitchen. So you're going to need water, flour, salt, food coloring, any color of course, and either vegetable or canola oil. So first you're going to start off with half a cup of water. And then you're going to add some food coloring, so you want to put a lot of drops in there so you can have a really rich color. You can also kind of do multiple colors if you want to make two separate batches. Then you're just going to mix your food coloring and water together. Next, you're going to add in 2 cups of flour. And then you're going to just add 3/4 cup of salt into the mixture. Then you're just going to mix it all really well together. Might be kind of clumpy at first, but we'll fix that later. So once your mixture starts to look like this and gets kind of clumpy, you're going to add your 4 to 6 tablespoons of oil in. I usually start with 4 tablespoons, and then if it's still a little bit too clumpy or too dry, I might add in 1 or 2 extra later on. So after you add in your oil, you're going to mix it all together again. After kneading a little bit, mine still kind of seemed a little bit dry, so I added in an extra tablespoon of oil. If your mixture seems to still be a little bit dry, you can either in that extra tablespoon of oil or just a little bit of dash of water to make it clump better together. So once all your materials stick together and you kind of have these balls of the dough, you've made your Play-doh. Usually I put down some parchment paper just so the Play-doh doesn't stick to the table. You can kind of make different shapes with it. It's just really fun to knead and still play around with. If your Play-doh does seem to get dry though, you can continue to add water or a little bit of oil until you get the proper consistency. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy your homemade Play-doh. Keep an eye out for other SWE activities that you can do at home. On our channel, there will be plenty of videos coming soon.